Hello dear students, I am a teacher. Today I will teach you science of chapter 1 nature of matter. Before this the new chapter before this the our chapter from the old NCERT book is matter in our surrounding, but it is removed by the NCERT. Now we will discuss only the new revised syllabus of the NCERT. According to this, it is nature of matter is our first chapter. So according to nature of matter, okay, we will not require to discuss solid, liquid, gas, but now I will tell you what is matter. Matter means that in our surround there is a three types of things is there: solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, solid means that the thing just like board, just like book, just like anything is a solid material. Liquid means that you drink water every day. It is a liquid. Oil is liquid. And the gas means that in our surround there is a many types of gas. One gas is which is very useful for us. It is known as oxygen. It is a gaseous form. Okay. In this chapter we will discuss about pure substance, mixtures, elements, types of mixtures, and many things. It is another matter. But now in this time we are discussing about the pure substance and mixtures. Okay, the matter is divided into two forms: pure substance and mixtures form. And the pure substance is further divided in elements and compounds, and mixture is further divides in a homogeneous and heterogeneous. Okay, it is given on page number 27 NCERT book, our old NCERT book as comparison to now. Okay. So in this at a time we directly discuss. Today in this video we are discussing about pure substance, elements and compounds only. We are not discuss now about the mixture. We are directly going to the pure substance. Okay. So I will erase it now, and then let's see what is elements and compounds. Okay. So according to this, elements and compounds are the pure substances. It is the types of pure substances, elements and compounds. Both are types of pure substances. Okay, and it is based on the chemical composition. Both are made of chemical composition, throughout chemical composition, and we can furthermore more discussion about elements. Okay, so let's first dive to the come on the topic of elements. What is elements? Elements is okay. First, there is a two scientists which is the giving the name of elements and classified it as a chemical elements. Okay, so what is the first name of the scientist is Robert Boyle. He was the scientist who gives first the name of elements in 1661. In 1661 इन्होंने सबसे पहले रॉबर्ट बॉयल ने 1661 में एलिमेंट्स नेम दिया था. एंड देन आफ्टर सेकेंड साइंटिस्ट नेम इज एंटोनी लॉरेंट लेवाइजर. एंटोनी Laurent Lavoisier. He was the first scientist who established name of elements according to the first experiment. Okay, it is a name given the name first elements according to his chemical experiment. According to this, he said element as a basic form of matter that cannot be broken down into simpler substances by chemical reactions. इन्होंने ये बोला था केमिकल एलिमेंट एक बेसिक फॉर्म ऑफ मैटर है जिसको कैन नॉट ब्रोकन डाउन इनटू सिंपलर सब्सटेंसेस, इनको और भी ज़्यादा सिंपलर फॉर्म में नहीं ब्रोकन डाउन तोड़ा जा सकता है. इट इज सेड बाय एंटोइन लॉरेंट लेवोइजियर इन 1743 to 94. ये इनका टाइमिंग था जब तक ये थे. And next, elements can be normally divided into metals and non-metals. Okay, elements can be divided into metals and non-metals. Okay, elements can be divided into metals and non-metals. You know that you studied about the properties of metals and non-metals in your earlier classes, but I will remind you again about the metals. Okay, properties of metal. What is the properties of metals? Properties of metals means that, let's be right here, property of metals. Property of metals, there is a lots of property of metals. Just like first one is the they have lustrous sign, means that metal have luster, metal में चमक होती है. They have silvery grey और golden yellow color. Mostly जो metals होते हैं वो silvery grey and yellow golden colors की होती है. ठीक है. They conduct heat and electricity. आप metals में metals को गर्म कर सकते हैं और by through the metals आप क्या कर सकते हैं, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोवाइड फ्लो करा सकते हैं. दे आर डक्टाइल. ओके, तो डक्टाइल मीन्स दैट वी कैन कट इट इनटू द फॉर्म ऑफ वायर्स इन अ स्मॉल, यू नो दैट इन द योर हाउस there is a very thin wires in of electricity, we can made it by through these metals. Okay, they are malleable. Malleable means that we can hammer it and make it in the very thin sheet, just like very thin sheet, just like your page of books. ठीक है, we can made it by through the metals. They are sonorous, means that when we picked up and when we throw it anywhere and it is dropped in anywhere and it make one sound which is known as sonorous. Okay, they are examples of metals are gold, silver, copper, iron, sodium, potassium, and only the mercury which is the under the metal, but it is in the liquid form, but it is known as metals. Okay, we will further discuss about more in our further more classes, but now not now. And actually it is mercury is a liquid in होम टेम्परेचर. ओके, होम टेम्परेचर के अंदर, रूम टेम्परेचर के अंदर जो होता है वो जो मर्करी होता है वो लिक्विड में होता है. ओके, नॉन मेटल्स यूजुअली शो सम और ऑल ऑफ फॉलोइंग प्रॉपर्टीज. द नॉन मेटल्स एलिमेंट्स आर सो हैविंग अ वैरायटी ऑफ कलर्स. इनमें बहुत सारे अलग अलग टाइप्स के कलर्स होते हैं. दे आर पुअर कंडक्टर्स. इनमें कोई ज़रूरी नहीं होता कि इनमें इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फ्लो हो जाए या नहीं भी हो सकते हैं. कुछ में होते हैं, कुछ में नहीं भी हो सकते हैं. ठीक है. दे आर नॉट लस्टरस. इन लस्टरस नहीं होते. लस्टरस के टाइप मीन्स क्या होता है, अभी हमने थोड़ी देर पहले डिस्कस बिफोर सम टाइम एगो. दीज आर व्हाट इज लस्टर्स. ओके, इसमें चमक नहीं होती है. सोनोरस, इनमें गिरने से कोई आवाज़ नहीं आती, इनको ठोकने पीटने से इनमें कोई आवाज़ नहीं आती. देयर इज नो साउंड, दैट मीन्स इट इज नोन एज सोनोरस एंड इट इज नो मलेबल. ओके, व्हेन वी it is not made as like your page like sheets. Okay, examples of non metals are hydrogen, oxygen, iodine, carbon dioxide, carbons. These are the non-metals, and after that the things which is showing the properties of both metals and non-metals, these are called metalloids. Okay, dear students, this is our examples of the examples of metalloids are boron, silicon, germanium. And finally we are come to our next topic is compound. What is compound? Compounds. Okay, what is compound? So compound is a substance composed of two or more elements chemically combined with one another in a fixed proportion. Okay, compound is a chemical substances which is made in a fixed proportion of two or more than two elements. Okay, these things, all things are given on in your page number 25. You can follow this page number 25. This all you get in your page number 25 NCERT book. And also here is some more thing, mixtures and compounds. Okay, so there is a one comparison between mixtures and compounds. You will also write this in your copy. Okay, thank you so much, dear student. I will discuss more about this chapter in our further videos. Thank you so much.